Byre is, I think, the answer to a lot of questions I've been asking about what I do and why. It's a case of connecting with myself and the reasons why I became a chef, getting back to the real emotional connection to the thing that I loved. And that is about cooking and feeding people. That's where it all came from. You know, the need to gather people around a table, get the conversation going, feel that connection with other people and share a meal together. My restaurants in the past have been like most traditional restaurants are, and I don't know, I think there's a space between entertaining at home and going out and having a meal in a restaurant. And I don't think a lot of dining experience exists in that space. Byre, this wonderful place, is in the Devonshire estate, right on the edge of the Yorkshire Dales, which is very, very special to me as a place. The landscape being such an inspiration to me creatively for such a long time. And I used to pull that inspiration into my dishes and serve them in the city. So it's magical to be able to take the inspiration and keep it here and serve it to people in the place that it comes from. Everything is really different to my previous restaurants here. The location, the building, some of the logistical challenges of being in a former dairy farm. And because of that, I've been able to consider a completely different way of cooking. And that means that I can use some really traditional and special ovens that not only allow me to cook things, but also create warmth, atmosphere, with food that is cooked with love and care. And I really love that, because without that, I don't think I would have ended up with the exact concept that I am creating here. I think, you know, we're all, as chefs, a little bit obsessed with cooking over fire, and that creates a really interesting rhythm to how you cook. And because of that, I've been able to consider a completely different way of cooking, and that means that I can use some really traditional and special ovens that not only allow me to cook things, but also create warmth, atmosphere, and it really connects as well. I think that fairly historical way of cooking with something inside of me, in that it's just a beautiful, slow, considered way of creating food.